2 days after two women were molested at a government quarantine center in Bengaluru, the BBMP commissioner has now admitted to the mistake. He said that men and women should have been quarantined separately and has said that he will ensure this for future arrangements. Remember, this comes in after two women were molested at a quarantine center in Bengaluru. Neha Hibale joining us live with the fresh inputs on this. Neha, right now we are reporting about this particular horrific case of molestation that took place in Bengaluru in a government quarantine center. The BBMP commissioner has admitted that such a thing did happen. Give us the details on this, please.
Well, Afrida, that's absolutely correct. On Friday morning, we saw how the molestation of two women, shocked the entire city. And now today on Monday, so far, Afrida, none of the government officials, neither the ministers nor the concerned authorities, had even, in fact, raised an alarm about this incident. It was almost like they tried hushing up the entire matter. And today, when we questioned the BBMP commissioner about this, he's gone on to admit that there was a grave lapse on the part of the authorities, that, the quarantine of the women and the men should have been done separately. And because, of course, it was not done, an incident like this, there was a scope for an incident like this to have actually taken place. Remember that, what we understand is that this was the government quarantine institutional center where men and women were being quarantined together. They were using the same washroom is also what we understand. And this is why, two of the women over there were actually molested. It's really unfortunate. But now that this has come to light, we'll have to wait and see as to what measures are taken on ground in order to further enforce and ensure that they are quarantined separately going forward.
Yes. Yes, let's listen in to the BBMP commissioner, Neha.
So it was a mistake that they put all the people who traveled from interstate to one particular facility. They should have made a separate arrangement for the ladies who were there on the train, and that is what has led to this kind of an incident. Anyway, the case has been booked against that person, and apparently our medical officer has also examined that person, and they are saying that he is a psychotic person, and therefore
we are cutting across